Conducted at Vasco railway station today at 6 o'clock morning in train number 18048 Amravati Express, platform number 1 from Vasco to Howrah, headed by myself along with the Vasco PSI Sri Yashwant Raikar, Police Constable Shiva Chalwadi, and RPS ASI Sri Jagdish Shetty, and PC Mukesh Kumar and PC Kailash Ram. With respect to the upcoming assembly election in Karnataka, we managed to seize some Indian-made foreign liquor, about 38 bottles, approximately 5,695 in rupees. Each bottles 750 ml. We seized the bags. 2 bags were there in a general duby, and we seized, but no one come to claim the bags. So we seized the goods and brought it in our custody in excise station Vasco, and further investigation is in process.